do you like kind of look at, I guess, I guess, how do you pick certain companies and look at like different sectors? Are you like kind of seeing like, hey, for example, right? So there's like an energy crisis right now in a lot of places. And so energy stocks have been doing really well, whether it's like, ExxonMobil, that kind of stuff. Do you kind of look at that and be like, okay, well, because of energy, the shortage and everything like that, and some of the issues in that overall sector right now, it might be a good play. Or do you kind of, maybe look at just general ideas from other content creators and you kind of get your stock picks from there? How do you, I guess, go about like finding companies?
Honestly, I tend to go against the grain. So if you see energy stocks doing super well, it's most likely that you've missed the train at that point. It's already up like 50 to 100%. And I was telling, like, so I talk with a lot of friends and stuff like that. And a lot of people are saying, oh, invest in oil now. And that was basically a few months ago when it was at the all time high. And I was saying, no, I'd rather invest in a lot of these tech companies that are depressed and at like all time lows because I know eventually they're going to rebound. So I'll consider these different sectors and their relative performance. So if I see, energy is doing super well, I might liquidate some energy stocks. Like I sold Suncor a little bit too early, but ended up putting that into tech. And then now we're seeing that tech rebound, and then now energy's dropping. So it's exactly sort of like we could have expected as sectors rotate into one another.
Yeah, it's really hard to time the market too. So, I mean, saying that you sold it too early, I feel like everybody can kind of kick themselves, they sold and it continues to rip or whatever. But, I think like if you wanted to, reallocate that and put it into energy, I mean, and you felt like it was good timing then, it's everybody can play Monday morning quarterback, right? And like look at like, some of these people making these great investments and timing it and everything. I think like at the end of the day, a lot of that is luck, more than
Yeah.
skill. And so sometimes it's better to be lucky than good. But